One of the popular musicians in Africa, specifically Ghana, has currently released a video titled "Try Me," right? So that is an issue between him and a popular actress Yvonne. Now, all that we are going to do here is that we are going to use mathematics, this simple question here, to demonstrate some of the reactions of the fans of Burna Boy, StoneBwoy, as well as Davido. So you see this set here, so we have P here, so we are just using P to represent the fans of what Burna Boy, what they are saying based on the current issues. Now we have this set here, so this is what 1 3 5 7 9 11. So let's see how many people are commenting, or how many fans of Burna Boy are commenting on the issue. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 6 people here are commenting, or are the fans of the Burna Boy commenting on the current issue by the video or the current song released by what Sarkodie. And so when you come to this set here, we have how many people? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 people here are also coming from the StoneBwoy what fans here reaction towards the issue. And then finally we have the Davido, how many? 1 2 3 4, and then five people from the Davido. Is that okay? Now, converting that idea to mathematical field here is that we say that these three fans here, I will say from here, the Davido fans, Burna Boy, as well as StoneBwoy fans here, are the subset of the universal. What it means here is that this universal here is going to be the music industry, right? So let's call this one the music industry. Is that okay? So it means that what it means by saying these people are the subset of the U, which is the universal. This universal here, it means that everybody here, everybody from these three sides here are part of the music industry. That doesn't necessarily mean that they are musicians, meanwhile they are the fans of the musicians here. They can be musicians, is that okay? That is not a restriction here, right? But all that we are trying to say here, all these people are coming from what? The music industry. Now we want to know which of the statements other people are saying, which one is the correct answer here. Is that okay? So not everything that you hear is correct. Some are saying SAC is doing the right thing. Others are also saying that Yvonne is performing well. Is that okay? So who knows? It's not everything that you hear that is going to be true. It's not every statement that you hear that is going to be true here. And so you want to determine which of the following statements is true. So this is just the first one. So once you are done with the first one here, we will go with the second one, the fourth, and the what? It's up to 4. So make sure that you stay here to the end of this video. Now this is the first one. So you see this letter here is just what? A set. So what I mean by a set here, this is a group of people who also believe in certain things. All that they are trying to say here is that we have the number of people here. So P prime, so that is the mathematical term. So, and I'll explain that in just a second. So P prime intersection what? R is equal to 2. So what it means here is that you need to understand the P prime. This N here is the number, right? So the number of people in this particular set here are how many? Only 2. So what are they saying? All that they are saying here is that also you need to understand the P prime first. So we know this guy, the R here are the videos of fans here. So you have how many of them are here? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 of them are here. The intersection here means that those that are here at the same time they are here, right? So those are some of the people you have to pay a very close attention. They will say something today, tomorrow they will say a different thing. So you have to pay a very close attention to those people. Now this P prime here, let's understand the meaning of the P prime first. So P prime or P complement, what it means here is what is the P? So P is those who are coming from the Burna Boy, right? So these people are the Burna Boy fans here. Those people that are in the, listen to the P prime. So that's the definitions of the P prime or P complement. Now everybody that is in the universal set here. So this universal set here is everybody that is in the music industry. So from 1 2 3 4 5 up to 12, right? So 12 people are in the music. That is just an assumption here. So 12 people are in the music industry, right? So this is the Burna Boy people. Everybody that is in the music industry here, right? That does not belong to, right? That does not belong to the Burna Boy fans here. Is that okay? Anybody apart from the Burna Boy fans here is what we are calling what paper. So if you check this thing correctly, 1 is part of the Burna Boy fans here, so we don't need 1 in this set here. Is that okay? So 2 is an investor set, but 2 is not in the Burna, or 2 is not a Burna Boy fans. So a Burna Boy fans here, what means that, so here will be 2, right? So are you getting the picture? So anybody that is in this set but you are not in the Burna Boy fans here, that is what we are calling what the P prime. So it is always advisable to list all the members here, right? So I can easily see that. So if you cannot see, make sure that you list everything down here. Now you have 2. Do you have 4? 4 is not here, so that will be 4. And then we have 5. So 5 is here, right? So you have 6. So it means that 6 is in the music industry, but 6 does not belong to a Burna Boy fans, right? So 7, you have 7 is here, 8, right? So about 8, 9 is here, and then we have 10, 11 is fans here, so and then we have 12, right? Can you see that everybody here, right? So all these guys, is okay, all these guys here are part of the music industry, but they did not belong to the Burna Boy fans, right? So that is simple what we are calling what the P prime. If you are getting value from this video, why don't you give us a thumbs up, or make sure that you subscribe to our channel for content like this. Now that we know the P prime, P complement here, and then so the intersection R. So the meaning of the intersection here is that those that are in this set here, right? So those that are in this set here, and at the same time they are in what, or they are coming from the Dadivo sort of farm. So okay, so that is the meaning of this word here. This is somehow N. That's just a symbol, right? So what it means, or the intersection between these two people. Is that okay? So those that are in from this set here, now we know the meaning of this set here, the people that are here. Is that okay? And then the intersections of the R. So the R, this is the R. So which people are here at the same time they are here, right? So we can easily see them. So we have this guy here, 2 is here, and then 2 is here. That is 1 person. Is that okay? Who else? What again can you see? So there's no any other person here. I say 3 is here, but 3 is not here. 5 is here, 5 is not here. 7 is here, 7 is not here. 11 is here, 11 is not here. So how many people are coming from that? Just 1, right? So just 1. Meaning of just 1 here is that, so we have this guy here, that is the N, and then P prime intersection R here is equal to 1, right? So but what they are saying here, the statement, all that they are trying to say here, you see this guy, they say according to the rumor, what is happening around here is that these people here is equal to 2, which we've solved mathematically. We have this thing to be 1. It means that this is not correct. Is that okay? That is why I said earlier on that it's not everything that you hear that is true. So you must pay some very close attention. Make sure that you do your research before you make any conclusion. So this guy here is going to be equal to 1. So it means that this statement is not correct. Let's look at the second statement and see which one is going to be correct. This is the second option that says that R is a subset of P. You see, mathematics, sometimes they use symbols to represent some information, right? So once you know the meaning of the symbols, you are free to go. So this guy here is what we are calling what, a subset. So a subset means that everything that is coming from this house here, it is also part of this house, right? So anybody that belongs to, let's get back to it. So anybody that belongs to the Davido sort of fans here, those people, all of them also, not necessarily all of them, but some of them, is that okay? So some of them belongs to the Burna Boy fans. Is that okay? So that is all that they are saying. So let's compare the two. Comparing these two people here, you can see that even the first one can easily fail, right? So the first one can easily, so two is here. You compare this and this one, so that is what they set is in R and then P. It means that everybody that is, or maybe all of some of them that is in the R, these people here, is R here, is also in what, in the banner. But why don't you pause the video a second and check, is this thing true, right? So is this guy here true here? That is the question. So here you can see that this guy, this thing here is not true. It's not true because it's not all of them, right? So you have 2, 3, 5, 7. Even though 3, 5, 7, and 11 are in what, in the P here, 2 is not part, right? So 2 is not part. So in this case here, everybody that is in the R must be in what, in the P, which is not true here. Is that okay? So this statement is not true. So all those that are going around and saying that all the fans of the Davido fans belongs to the Burna Boy fans, it is not true. It is not true in this case, right? So this is not true. Pay very close attention to that. So this is the third statement. So here comes the third statement that says that you see, this is another symbol in mathematics. So all that this thing means is that is an empty set. So empty set means that there's nothing inside. So there's a group of people here that they don't have just only one member, right? So they don't have anybody in that group. So that group is this guys here. So that's also we are talking about, that Q intersection R, right? So Q intersection R is equal to empty. So let's check that. You have to check these people and see that indeed if they don't have just a single member in this group, then it means that this is correct. Sorry. So let's check that. Now where's the Q? So Q is the fans of for the StoneBwoy, right? So the StoneBwoy fans are here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 people are coming from the StoneBwoy fans here. A quick disclaimer: the way I like to see these things is that I don't normally read the numbers, so dealing with the numbers may come very difficult sometimes. But what I normally do, I'll just like to switch from the number to something that I already know for easy understanding. Now K intersection, so this is the symbols of the intersection. I believe up to now you all know the meaning of the intersection. So those that are here at the same time, they are here, right? So where's the Q? So we have Q here, and then Q people are here, and then R is the Davido's fans here. So the Davido's fan here, let's compare and see. So you can, this is just straightforward. So one guy belongs to the StoneBwoy at the same time, so belongs to the Davido. So we have one. But again, do you have any other person? No, we don't have any other person. So it means that just one guy here, right? So one guy, one fans here belongs to the two popular artists here. So it means that this is not empty. So this should be equal to this guy here, right? So this guy, that's the Q intersection R, should be equal to 1, but not empty. Okay, it means that this is also false, right? So this should be the correct one. Is that okay? So this statement here is false. So now let's see which one is the correct one. So here comes the final statement here. So here's the final part here. So this is my intersection symbol, right? So that is not look, so it's just like somehow open N, right? So what it means is the most important thing, intersection. So those that are here at the same time, they are here. Now we know the meaning of this symbol. So I think a very long C. So it's not just this, so it's something that goes like this, right? So that is all a subset. So whoever is here, that person is also in the second part. Now let's have the let's find out those that are involved in this scenario and see if this is correct. So we have the first part here. So R intersection what? Intersection P. So R, where's our R? So the Davido's fans are here. So R, so intersection P. So that's what the Burna Boy fans here. So let's check that. So from here, this part here is just going to be Davido's and the Burna Boy. So I think this guy is there. 3. Can you see? 3 is here. 3 is here. And then what again? We have 5. 5 is there. 5 is here. 7. 7 is there. 7 is here. And then as well as 11. Alright. So if you have the 11, so let's move on. Now let's check this thing. To confirm whether everybody that is here is also belongs to these people, right? So that's the meaning of this symbol here. Now let's confirm this guy. So you have the R. So this is for these people. So let's check this R. R here is the Davido, and the U here is the universal. So U is the universal. Everything, the universal means that everybody that is in the music industry, right? So we have 1 up to 12 people. Is that okay? So 1 up to 12 people is exactly what we are talking about here. So R here, R intersection R, I think that should just be everything here, because already we already know that this guy, the R, the video there is a subset of the word, the universal set. So the meaning of the subset here, it means that you can be found in this, right? So that is just going to be equal to every set of the R. That is just good. 2, 3, 5, 7. Once again, if you are enjoying this video, make sure that you give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't. If you have any questions, so just try and comment in the comment section below. Now let's do the comparison. So this is what they are trying to say, that everybody that is here, that same people is also here, which is true. I can see that. So 3 is here, 3 is here, 5 is here, 5 is here, 7 is here, 7 is here, 11 is here, 11 is here. So this is correct. Those that are saying that according to the issue that is happening based on this statement here, they are the people that are speaking the truth, not any other body, right? Is that okay? So thank you for watching this particular video.